Use these 17 cute tricks to melt guys' heart.
It's difficult to nail down since it's not just about getting the ideal shoes or doing your hair in a certain manner. It's a feeling you give out, and it starts with your attitude. Be yourself, even if certain aspects of yourself don't exactly match the cute category. In fact, some women squirm at the thought of being labeled cutesy. Some women, on the other hand, would love to be thought of as a sweetheart. Here are a few helpful hints for increasing your cute factor. 1. Speak gently and quietly. Soft, low tones are seductive and entice a man in. Loud, forceful voice is great on the nerves. If you have a tendency to speak loudly, keep that in mind while striving for the adorable and flirtatious look. 2. Use a little perfume. Your moist wrists should be rubbed on your neck or behind your ears. These undertones of sweetness are irresistible. Strong, harsh, overbearing odors should be avoided, they repel rather than attract. 3. Smile. A grin is warm and inviting. Anyone attempting to approach you will have their defenses quickly lowered. You may also give it a pretty coquettish air depending on how you do it. 4. Be a little evasive. When he catches you, looking aside, preferably with a little smile, comes off as charmingly coy. 5. Have fun with your hair. Have you ever seen a beautiful actress in a movie and then taken a photo of her to your salon to have her hairstyle? 6. Make an effort not to fidget. Someone who fidgets all the time makes those around them feel tense. Practice stillness to be a calming presence. That type of enthusiasm attracts people. 7. Make yourself a natural beauty. With a little layer of makeup, bring out your greatest features. Sometimes all you need is a smidgen of blush and a smidgen of mascara to get a gorgeous, natural appearance. 8. Bring your inner vixen to a halt. There's a time and a place for seduction, but it's not the best match when you're trying to be adorable. When you're going for charming rather than ravishing, leave the smoky eye and risky lingerie at home. 9. Soft silhouettes should be worn. The texture and form of your clothing may be really useful in conveying a specific feeling. Wearing flowing, smooth clothing will make you feel as adorable as you appear. Pastel, muted colors are your friend when you're going for sweet. 10. Be upbeat. It is contagious and magnetic to be positive. You naturally want to be around someone who has a great attitude. This is a basic yet efficient method of attracting others' attention. 11. Have a good time. Make as much laughter as you can. Look for delight in whatever you're doing. Others will want to be around you if you have a lighter demeanor since you appear to be having a good time. 12. Try a haircut with a lot of movement. The objective should be to have feminine, relaxed hair. Ponytails that are pushed back too firmly should be avoided. Hair that is loose around your shoulders works well. A lovely and enticing style is a little braid at the front of your hairline, or perhaps 2 small braids pulled back over your flowing curls. 13. Don't be too pushy. Make motions that are attentive and reserved. If you come out as pushy, you'll have a hard time preserving your cuteness. 14. Laugh as though you're having a good time. Don't hold back on the laughter. Some people take delight in being difficult to make smile, they are not enjoyable to be around. 15. Make jokes. One of the nicest attributes a person may have is a wonderful sense of humor. It's a particularly amazing talent to be able to laugh at yourself. Don't be afraid to crack jokes or make up ridiculous anecdotes. 16. Accept your timidity. You don't have to pretend to be the most outgoing girl in the room if you aren't. When someone is bashful, it's endearing. 17. Tease him a little. A well-timed, polite joke at a guy's expense is a pleasant surprise, especially if you've been acting quiet. While he is speaking, you can keep returning your sight to his lips. This will irritate a curious man since it implies that his lips are on your thoughts. Hi cute, what do you think?